Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings. On the application of LinkedIn, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you search about LinkedIn app. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you should just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.